Me never smoke it from me, man. So what that?
Natural juices here. Sea moss, ginger, Brazilian nuts, walnuts, and hemp seed. This?
Yeah.
$5.
What is it for?
This is like a peanut punch. Just
I don't like them. Papa, I don't like them things. I bet I'm going to split if I saw them. I bet I'm going to split if I saw them. Big up yourself.
Alright, take care.
Yeah. It's a shame. Trust me, Dwayne. You can't have a girl and every night you complain. Oh no. Yes, Lord. It's so wonderful to be in love. It is so nice to be in love. Say, remember some friend calling TG. It's so nice to be in love. Must say, whoa. One if some girl have a paycheck all today, going at them account. If you sit down on your big pussy and just suck pussy, you understand? One if you get a paycheck for blood clot that, me have a nice blood clot for 1K. For when me reach blood clot senior citizen, blood clot age, and me can't walk, you know say. You understand? The government just give me a blood clot check every 2 blood clot week and pay my mortgage and me carry blood clot loan. And let me tell you something. Me is a girl of my own. No big pussy girl. Can't blood clot class me. Especially when them take them tongue and turn it in a zip. Them tongue come in like business. So you see the bees them just busy. Your tongue coming like busy signal on that pussy. But you know, oh, we get a news, yeah. Hot. You can't get no news about me. And any boy you class me, you must show him blood clot face. Because the next day I go dead. So I better time show him face. Because if I have to search and find who in blood clot is, the next day I go dead. Because my money stretch out now blood clot in a US dollar. Yes, so you understand? Hey, some of the big pussy girl, you don't know who to really play with, you know. John, what me I tell them say, I choose one of that far. I choose one of that far. You don't know who to definitely play with, you know. Let's say true, me make IG water my blood clot thing down and turn me in a pussy around here. Me just have to just say, yo, Dan, you can't catch him, so just relax yourself. Hey, I say I want to come run up in me. All who can take plane. Who can drive bus. Who can take taxi. More Jesus Christ have mercy. You know I said I go to prison? Come look problem with me. You know just come in front of my face. Come look problem with me. Can I say me? Me I want woman to fuck with nobody at all, you know. But certain people fuck with me. Me don't know how to done. Me don't know how to done. If me and you fight, and you're up to the thing, and you're up to the time, we're going to fight. Anywhere me see you, we're going to set it off. We're going to set it off. You don't know who not play with, you know. You understand? Pick up yourself, Lataya. You understand? You don't know who not play with you. You understand? Ha. You go and fuck around. You don't stop here. Come and say one day, me and you are going to buck up. So here what happen? Just go and do your blood clot thing. You understand? Because me I go use you and beat and teach. Me I go use you and beat and blood clot teach. You understand? Me I go use you and beat and blood clot teach. And if I do my time, I don't know that my brother was dead and gone. You so things in my head say, prison do not make for animal. You understand? And you have to come home. You understand? So when you go and call my name. Because I say one day, one of uno, I go pay for all of whom I can't catch. You understand? I I never come America for this, you know. On blood clot draw me out in this. You understand me? Never come America for this. You understand? That's why I say God bless me and give me my citizenship in America because guess what happened? Him knows some, God never knows some, never tell him no lie, you know. I say, Father God, if you just make me reach America, you understand? Do me, I beg you, Father God. Make me reach America and live a different life. You understand? I still want to do. When you still want to do, when you come dig out the serpent in me. I tell you not to go on. When you want to go on. Hey, hey! May I tell you, when you call police, when you call ACS, when you take Bible and swear, when you go to prison, when you do all kind of mother blood clot evil things to me. Just because I don't want a blood clot friend from Uno. I look better than Uno. Uno see me walk and fuck like Burger King's pass through. You understand? And that's what they eat before in America, you know. You understand? Me name everything when I cook. And when my good friend them cook like her, beauty cook some food, and I want to eat, I drive go feed. Me name everything when I want them. And they don't know me do. I use my money. I go lipo suck out the fat out of my belly. I lipo suck the fat out of my back. When I say, me this, me that, me anything. I say blood clot. I don't know couldn't live in Jamaica with me down there, you know. Every day when I go to Central. I'm going to wait for you right in the look front at George's Lane blood clot there, so. Yeah? I'm going to stay at Hanover Street. And people phone now come out. You don't know who definitely a blood clot play with. Eh? I say, all you Puss, your blood clot, dirty woman named Puss. We talk about the answer dirty woman Puss. You can't call me dirty woman. All if me see a mud pile and jump in it with shit in it, you can't call me dirty woman. Because you never look clean yet. You never look blood clot clean yet. Just so you get the two look Halloween teeth them. And on the Halloween time now, you tell yourself, say, oh yeah, come on. You can't call my pussy curse. The whole of 3 children when we have graduate from blood clot high school. The 3 children when my blood clot have 2 going to college, left 1. Out for going to college next year. Puss, you can't call me nothing in the world. Hey, Puss. Hey, I'm not like class little girl, you know. I don't like your class little girl, you know. But when I see your blood clot daughter, when you're Madonna, I want perfect look all man that, you know. The little girl belly big like she have 3 children that I want. She rusty and she crusty. No blood clot like she needs some steel wood with some glass backer for rub her dog. Hey, I'm tell you something. You don't come for me, you know. You don't come for me, you know. Because you can't get for soon, no. And kicking on the face, slam up on the head in the wall, and make me on the drop on the ground and roll. A class, for class, you know, up. This big dirty woman now. This big dirty woman. This big dirty woman. We favor them big dirty long time, all time building, yeah. Eh? Puss away for class me. Me I wear diamond from my blood clot finger from my 31 blood clot year old. Yeah? Oh, you for blood clot class me. Eh? Puss in a chain drawers every day. Eh? Puss? Nobody never see I brush your teeth yet. Yeah. You understand? Puss, in my book, you're worse than a slut dog. Dirty woman. How she get for come for me? How she get for to start talk about me so? I'm already gone after IG, gone. Stinking woman, how you just get for come back? Eh? Are you and your blood clot, when you candy blood clot, man, with a big sword on your blood clot mouth, I say make a page, you know. You understand? Really people them don't have short town country. You understand? But let me tell you something. Say any day I feel for give a sit down rub, you're going to give a sit down rub for 24 blood clot hour. You understand? But my liar tell me say, don't say nothing to you yet. Just give you a verbal talk. And I tell you, if you take out my blood clot name after your page, no. You continue. You make blood clot page. I don't know where you get that from. We don't have short town. With the people them don't have them father funeral. You understand? You jump out. You come put. All this blood clot girl when name Skelly and Stallion, I wish you want blood clot name. You live over here? I wish you could have tell me say yes, you live in New York. And when you see me just tap me on my shoulder and sit down, see me, yeah? I mean name Skelly and Gallian, how you want blood clot name. Eh, on enough, so. Eh? Here she, you know. Una some thinking old girl we can't get no man, you know. Eh? Una some girl with man piss pan a night time, you know, like bucket, you know. Eh? Una some girl with man drunk and fucking up. Cause me not think una could have so much time for no hand. Me not think una, if una have a man in our house, for fuck una make una tired, una would have come out, you understand, and just pick pan people. So, Skelly and Gelly and away one blood clot name. Me don't know you. You come in, you wanna sound young. I come like you can't get no man to blood clot. It look like man done pound a blood clot. That's why you so cocky so. You understand? Because you just feel say if a man pissing on a blood clot throat. You understand him I go stay with you know. Cause the man them in America, yeah, them walkless. You understand? You barely can't scratch and find a good one. You understand? Because the whole of them walkless like dog. As them say to a girl, I'm like, you know, dung in our blood clot throat. Me glad my old. Me glad my old school. Cause no pussy hole, no big pussy boy couldn't bring that to blood clot. Me, yeah. You understand? Unless him go rape me. Like how them rape blood clot brassy. And brassy ball, whoa. Whoa. Next. There's not much of them out there. Whoa. Let me tell you something. Me no fuck kaba man. Me no fuck idiot boy. You see from me breed when me I look a girl. Any man I say, aye, Dan, you look good, you know. Aye, but take me like, you know. I'm like you. You have to show me where your blood clot work or how your blood clot usher. You understand? Una some little shit house, dirty, big dirty drunk girl. We're over 40 and 50. You understand? You understand? And big up yourself, Destiny. And then say me not do no more home care. You understand? Me have 10 years with a blood clot 401k in a home care, big pussy girl. You're married to a sore up blood clot man with one blood clot foot. I want to come a bomber clot name and sit down in my category. Not do that, brassy. Not do that. You understand? A union blood clot next. Let me show one boy that you were arguing. Say, yo, Dan, you don't know she. She, the man them call next. Stinking girl, where me know you from. Dirty old blood clot brassy. Man, the man them wash off your blood clot head with blood clot discharge. Them so when you come out, you're sod up. Like somebody throw sod seal water upon your blood clot. Yeah. Don't pick up yourself and come disrespect my blood clot father. You understand? My father got hard for we. That's a fucking father. That's a real fucking father. Him go hard for real when we a big blood clot girl we drink Milo and blood clot milk and Alex. Stinking old girl, you know where your father there? Eh? Eh? Or when we a big blood clot girl we drink Milo and milk and him a mix it and put on the table. See Dan cup ya? See Christine cup ya? You understand? Cause my auntie never had no girl. And my nether sister grew with my auntie. And the first spit in my blood clot mother had from my father. The grandmother take him and say, she don't have nobody to keep her company. And for run go a shop for her up and down. Make sure grow the boy. Me and blood clot Stacy mama grow with my mother and my bumbo clot father. And when me a big blood clot girl, me I get Milo and blood clot milk. Yeah? You understand? And when I mix it for it too. I mix it blood clot for it. Dirty stinking brassy, you come talk about Canberra. Hey, girl, let me tell you something. Let me tell you this, and take this from me, man. The way you pass your blood clot face, if you live in America, I'm going to shoot your blood clot. Take that. Take that and bring it to the blood clot judge. If you live in America, I'm going to get a gun and bust it in your blood clot face. If you live in America, hey, girl, you know my father? Stinking girl, you know my father? Dirty rotten old girl who now fuck some big dirty old man from when 12, 11 and 9 and them things that are on jump up and cuss people girl pitney. A stinking old girl. This when you hear anybody talk about Dan blood clot father, big pussy, blood clot girl. Hello. Let me tell you something. Back up your blood clot self, you understand? Where you think the man they live for 90 blood clot 2 years? Stinking old blood clot brass. Nobody never tell you say. Every bomber clot week me work. Me pay somebody for look after my blood clot father. Him never drop yet. Him never hungry yet. Him clothes never want change yet. You understand? Because guess what happened? I stay a bomber clot, America, you monitor. The way how them take care of my blood clot, father. Hey, stinking girl, hey, girl. Where you depend? Hey, dirty old girl. Eh, where you depend? Eh? Una father never remember son him they fuck on mama and get some serpent like bomber clot in a girl. Hey, girl, let me tell you something. You see that era there when my blood clot come from name spoilers? Ask anybody. Both down and our bomber clot, father. You mad? You mad? If was a blood clot, walkless, cutlass like all Puss. You understand? I'm my blood clot, father, dead. I mean, I have no money. I'm a blood clot till turn on the life and say, cash up, cash up. Come and know me that get that blood clot, come here, alleged. Hey, stinking girl, brassy. Hey, where you depend? Hey, girl, let me tell you, say, if you live in New York, man. Me say, my borrow a man gun and bust a shot in your blood clot and turn on call 911. You think a pussy will not deal with? Stinking girl, you don't think so I want to eat that girl you not deal with? Eh? You say, all you, we're over here. No worry yourself, man. No worry yourself. No worry yourself. Can you bring them blood crosses, crab girl, you know, girl will walk on them back like blood clot crab for me, you know? Eh? Stinking dirty puss. You understand? Well, you know, we're not sweet. I would this. Nobody for my life, you know, come on and vent my feelings pertaining to my father, you know. You understand? Hello. Hey, girl, you know, see me a blood clot American. I come here. You understand? Me's American. With the bomber clot, you come talk about go country. My father come from country long time. I never know my father when he did live a bomber clot country. When me I go a country for? Stinking girl. Call him big up yourself straight. You understand? You understand? Eh? Come know my mother with my pooper. You understand? I know my pooper used to carry down some blood clot box of grocery. Go drop off the fee mother. And give her money. Once a month. You understand? I know no bomber clot country. Don't go country, I know from bomber clot Wildman Street, a United States of a blood clot America. I never go nowhere else yet. Yeah. And the man when me a bomber clot come America, when me a 31 blood clot year old, is a man who get up and cook some saltfish and dumpling, sweet potato and banana. You understand? And give me, I eat it. And drink my mug of blood clot at chocolate when me a come a blood clot America. You think I could have looked behind me and said, Lord God, my father did and I can't bury him. Suck your blood clot mama and suck your mama man too. Stinking girl brassy. Yeah. But right now, blood clot about down I have no money for bury our father. Pussy old idiot girl. A 200 blood clot dollar a night for Pegasus. And my bomber clot stay there for 5 nights. 200 blood clot dollar plus tax. 130,000 a bomber clot. Yeah. And the respect I'm give my blood clot father is every one of the people them where man them used to walk up and down per road. Where after I'm retired from work and buy drop and I go at the bank, me and Nikki. I'm going to take out 70 blood clot 1,000 out of the bank. And share up blood clot 50 out of it. You understand? Stinking girl, no play with me, no. You understand? No play with my man. No play with my blood clot name, because my name no normal. Hey, you see through my join up with a pussy clot on the can. Say, I done. When you think say me I'm not a friend like that in a shit house. Shit house, rape bait, drunk girl, brassy. You fuck on your back like crab when crab turn over. Hey girl, me I tell you, say, yo, listen this completely straight up, me I tell you now. Straight up, me I tell you. Me say if you did live a blood clot America just for call my father name, me say, me not gonna do time for you. Come say me that borrow a gun and buy a blood clot gun and bust a shot in your blood clot face. Anyway, me see you. But let me tell you, why you're stinking old puss run up on a bomber clot mouth so much, because they're far and nobody can reach, you know. You understand? But I tell you, say, stinking old brassy. Hey, girl, let me tell you, say, fly down a Jamaica and pass through spoilers. You never blood clot come back up. That me I tell you. When you're down that shine it out so and say, see me here, but they are spoilers. Make me show you how my blood clot name stay down like that. Hey, stinking girl. Hey, girl, you come talk about Dan can bury a bomber clot father. Hey, girl, you know somebody down at spoilers? Eh? I told open blood clot bar, me do down at that. Jerk pork and bumbo clot festival and blood clot jerk chicken and blood clot bread. And a big pot of bumbo clot soup and fried blood clot fish. Stinking girl, hey girl, let me tell you something. A dirty woman blood clot brassy with the handicap blood clot look boy. A stinking girl. Not take up money and a PR people for trace people. You understand? You don't look at idiot blood clot said, hey girl, I be a dopey man fuck you know. You understand? For no name no mention, you know. You know, so where you start to suck pussy. You use your tongue busy in a blood clot. Like a bees and a wasp. Hey girl, let me tell you say you and Puss. Hey, see all you Puss. Hey, see all you. You see all you when not gone away? You just itch up the outer behavior and not even run no threat by your blood clot. But you have to get a hammer in your blood clot anytime you go to Jamaica, you know. Back, you know. And that me I tell you, no stinking woman. Hey, girl, you come like son, no respect blood clot big people. You don't come like son, no respect blood clot people when people bumbo clot dead. You understand? I cuss Berry Granny when Berry Granny dead is. You know why I'm a blood clot cuss Berry Granny when Berry Granny dead? You understand? I info start cuss my blood clot father say, he might go pay some anybody can drop me down address, I want to go light the house with down father. You understand? That's why I'm a blood clot cuss when him granny dead. Kind of the same blood clot week. Him did say that. You understand? But me not mean that because him granny never trouble me yet. But him a disrespect my father. That's why I go at him grandmother. You understand? But God knows me, I know them kind of person. Shit house pussy I come talk about. And next thing you come violate and run off your rotten teeth, bumbo clot, stinking hole. Big bump on your blood clot leg. Next thing you come, oh, we don't want no peace from our stinking girl. Me they tell us I want peace from you. Me know you from somewhere for one peace from your shit house girl. Eh? You know you tell us say yo, one our class of children them want for come off of it. But you see you pussy you never come off of it, you know why? Because your father fuck you. Your father never have no respect for your little pussy underneath you. Yeah. And you come out, come talk, say, yeah, I suck my father would and so what? You know why you say that he's a dirty, stinking grasmite. You understand? He's a serpent. You understand? And the whole of them will follow behind you. Satan. Bumbo clot. Stinking woman. No dirty and no nasty, no blood clot. But yeah, sure. Hey, Candle, hey, dirty girl Candle, say, drop on a lawsuit on your blood clot. You understand? You know what it is? For put up people deceased family, and without them permission, watch me and your blood clot. You wait till I go back to court. I will know how to get to you. You tell us if you take off my blood clot name after you fuck with them, you understand? But you know a bumbo clot rubber dub. Rubber dub, you don't want a gunshot in on a bumbo clot face, but you know a rubber dub. Say, yo, me say all you can do. Sir, say never even there in a blood clot. Let me tell you something, man. You can't tell them that I tell you this. You understand? Any blood clot girl, I'm say any blood clot girl try bumbo clot me. I live in America. I when me dead and blood clot on gone. Una see me when una looking at a blood clot mirror. Rig out on a blood clot face and go do the time for no. Take a pussy una deal with. Dirty stinking girl, bumbo clot diary. Mr. Diary, you know what it is? You know what it is? For put up people blood clot deceased family? Eh? You know what kind of hey girl, watch what I'm gonna make happen to you. May I use the law with you? You understand? May I use the blood clot law with you now? So now some dirty serpent, now some Satan. Satan. No motherfucker that sell and fuck behind here and get tonight make no auntie so. Right? Make no blood clot auntie so. Tell me advice my opinion, I don't want you no fuckery. Stinking girl come put up about. Oh, why don't father go to country? You understand? My bumbo clot country, man. I'm having family them buried down in the cemetery down there. So, me and one of them I did want to put him bumbo clot down there. You understand? Me fix deposit money for bury my blood clot father from me about 29. When me know say me I come a bumbo clot America. Stinking girl. You understand? Bumbo clot. No know not about bumbo clot me I come talk about how we are quarreled for blood clot dead money. My father have money, what if money like Stocky? Eh? Eh? You know see what Stocky have? You know see? Send blood clot tough go video it back and tell us you no want inside out. Must think say me that fuck a blood clot man I'm married and say my blood clot married for 8 penny and penny. I drill and quarter. Hey girl, you know see how my blood clot look, I want to take off my clothes and make you so my pussy pretty in a blood clot. Yeah. Stinking girl. Dirty old rape bait blood clot girl when the man them throw you on your back like crab and turn you over and shampoo you and wash you with blood clot discharge. You can't chat to me. Eh? Dirty Puss, Mr. Puss love to mix up people. Just to she know say our father take away our blood clot innocent, you know. Our father take away our innocent from she our blood clot picnic. Stinking woman there. Come like so she not come off a blood clot IG. She say you go love him look on him so much and depend. Lord, she my aunt, you go talk about the little girl and nine. Your pussy underneath your bigger and nine with them whole heap of blood clot bomb. They all know you know take up yourself and go get some penicillin and your big dirty blood clot. How come disrespect my father? But hey girl, I say for the hey girl, I say if you go a blood clot spoilers and show me yourself. Say oh me make a girl bust up your blood clot. It's not even a man, me I tell. Me I say yo one girl on us one so. Go for her, bust just carry a quart back her. Lick her in her blood clot mouth and you see how me think turn up down a rich part me come from. Hey girl, me know I'm not preach violence. No, I respect my blood clot come from. You know why I'm not preach it? Because I have a sister down there and a blood clot nephew and a niece. If I never that man, I make gunshot ring out down that blood clot. All tonight, yeah. So I don't like that I get a key, you know, kind of time I come home and she says she in there, she upstairs I gone all about. Understand? But you ask, I'll dance for Ghana country. Country. I don't know no blood clot country. On the United States of America, I travel come. That's as a different country from Jamaica. Big pussy country girl, when I talk about all people. No, country man born and grew a blood clot Stuart Town. You understand? And a good place as Stuart Town in blood clot live too. Because when you look up the road, Usain Bolt live next to Westwood Blood Clot High School. And a district named Blood Clot come from. You understand? Man get 6 blood clot 9 nights. 6. I buy a box of kangaroo having 1 blood clot 1,000 in it. 1 blood clot 1,000 kangaroo. And tell them to put out 90 blood clot 2. Like 90 blood clot 2. Me alone going to the bumbo clot with 4 blood clot read $40,000 for that. 10,000 for blood clot 1. Look at Christian lady actually next to my house. I'm come here so. Hang up. Come like this, so no lady here back one so. Cause she toes.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
All right?
Yes, I'm all right. I haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah.
But I know you're still here.
Yeah.
All right?
Because you can't get down to bed and do nothing.
Nothing at all.
You can't get nobody to do nothing. The man came to the house and make an appointment and had him see you.
Yes, but do they put a ticket under your door?
Huh?
They put a ticket that they come or they just did not
They
come?
didn't come at all. He didn't come. He came here and took all the information and told me to be back on Monday. I haven't seen him yet.
That's what they're doing now. You have to call the bigger heads. And when you call the bigger heads, they said people come and do the work and then they have to pay them.
But I called 311. The guy from 311 come and still didn't get that done.
I have a number. I'm going to push it under your door. My husband called them
Yeah.
because they would not fix this door that the police then did lick off on the
They
longest
need to
one.
fix my door either because my door is thin.
I'm going to get it for you. All right? Have a good evening.
All right.
Okay. Like that. Come here, come see the lady there. Lady there, me a come. I'm going like that. Shit house, dog shit. Boy, you go breaking news. You get that. Like say, me could have got Jamaica, go work for my father money. And my sister live there. Me have a look nephew live there. You understand? My sister live there. My have a little nephew live there. My have a little niece live there. America me live. But the blood clot mother go war with them for money for. If them have money, I see them want that after the man blood clot buried. I will keep everything. Yeah? What me would I do with Jamaica money now? Why would I take it from them and share it up and give people when I have my own blood clot money shit house? Dog shit. Eh? Dog shit. Candy lake, you may talk. Dirty thinking puss. You understand? And you ugly big head, brass your head big like a cow head. You favor a blood clot bombing back. That's why the boy them soap you up with cocky juice. Stinking girl. Very out of order. You're very out of order. You're very out of order. You understand? My father is a man who cry peace. My father is a man who love people and feed everybody look up picnic in the blood clot ghetto. When me used to send my money, go give him. You understand? The people in the other say, you can't talk to Mr. Willie down. Mr. What him do? Every morning you see people picnic come up here to him and knock door and him and give them lunch money like say him and them father. I must say, Daddy, I work hard, you know. I'm send money come give you your give to him. Say, listen to me. Listen to me. You give me, I'm do what I want to do with it. You understand? People don't figure school hungry. You understand? And his mother send him up here. What happened to that if me give him $150 or $200? I say, sorry, Daddy, I true you tell. Shit house, you come disrespect. But can't bury father. You're mad no blood clot. You're mad no blood clot. And Judah mad not dead yet. And them man, they are politician. Judah mad not dead yet. And them man, they are politician. I made it out there. Eh, Desmond Mackenzie, I live right, and you know me. Eh? Your friend Jackie, a blood clot, Desmond secretary. You understand? And them know me as a blood clot politician. You mad? You mad? Me that go down a long time. If we don't have money like blood clot that. You understand? And get blood clot politician monies. Stinking girl. You pussy salt and curse no blood clot. The whole of the man them a fuck you. I must see two alone left back. Two alone left back. Who no sick and dead police kill? Who police to kill them friend kill them? You pussy salt no blood clot, brassy. Me no wrong if you start use your tongue and turn blood clot map. You have a map tongue in your blood clot mouth. You map pussy from left to right. And then squeeze it out. That's why your belly big so you favor blood clot Anansi. I don't see none of them Anansi then are foreign. So you know some look at Anansi who have the look big body and them look cranny when we there Jamaica back in the days them there. And that your blood clot favor thinking girl. I say any day I remember about my father and feel kind of upset or feel blood clot sad, I'm going to come and rub your blood clot, you and blood clot. Can the blood clot man with the soap on him blood clot. Stinking girl, you tell yourself, come on from a blood clot name, you wait till I go back a quote. Stinking girl, Candy. Well, I show you, say, see this thing here? Anyway, your blood clot there. You understand? And you're going with certain thing. You understand? You can blood clot get problem for it. Una some dirty serpent. Una some Satan. But una class blood clot 2-year-old baby. Una some Satan. Una some serpent. Say, I'm going to tell you one more time. Brass, I'm saying I'm going to close the blood clot line now. You understand? Who next, Brass? You may attack. Me say if you did live over here, me do time for your blood clot. Me tell you say me that bust a shot in your blood clot. Whether this all Remy Martin did bust a shot in the girl, I see him so me that bust a shot in your blood clot. I'm gonna do a 5-year or a 10-year and come back and see you cripple up in a blood clot if you're not dead. And me tell you something, you say, only girl with the over here, me say, or when me dead and blood clot gone, if you not try me, when looking at the blood clot mirror, and still a blood clot see me. I swear me, if me go a blood clot prison, I swear me come back, me still a go blood clot see me epaulet pound on a blood clot. Cause epaulet me a going on a bumbo clot over here. You understand? I'm done talk. Call in link me there.